Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel and to another video up here in the woods. So I've just been to the truck to get myself a nice cold beer from the fridge, and we're going to be doing some camp cooking later on. We're heading up to Scotland in a few weeks time with the canoe, and I didn't want to take a big heavy Dutch oven with me, so I've bought a reflector oven, which I've been looking for one for a while now. So I finally bought one, and we're going to give it a test run this evening for dinner. So if you stick around, I'll show you how we get on with that. But in the meantime, I'm going to go and collect some firewood and do all the wood prep and just enjoy this beer. So I'll catch up with you in a while. So I've got a good stash of firewood there, and I'll go and wander around and pick some branches up and some twigs later on to get the fire started. So I'll just give you a quick look at the reflector oven. I'll put the link below to where I bought this from. I got it from the same place as I got the Finnish wilderness pans, Woodland Ways. I'm not affiliated with them at all, they just seem to sell some pretty good stuff. So the Finnish wilderness pans, I believe that these are actually made in a foundry in Finland. If you've watched some of my other videos, you'll have seen me use these. They're excellent. However, I think this is actually from Finland, but it's made in China. The instructions and everything are in Finnish. It's called the Loimu Reflector oven. It's a dead simple concept. It's just made out of aluminium. So you get this little strap with it. It's got a little handle on the top there, and it basically just opens up like that, and you've got a little wire shelf. Now I'll just show you the side there. There's actually, you probably can't make it out, the sun's reflecting off it. There's 3 different levels. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put it in the middle one. So that just goes through like that and slots in on the other side. And on the back you've got this panel here which you just push out, and then you've got a stand which comes down. So that's it all set up. Literally just takes a moment, and the stand just allows it to sit flat on the edge of your fire there. So yeah, I'm looking forward to giving it a go. I mean, it's dead lightweight, it falls down flat, and hopefully it should be able to replace a heavy Dutch oven on my canoe trips. So there's not a great deal of room inside the reflector oven. What I've got here is a Trangia 25 series non-stick frying pan, and I found that actually sits in there beautifully. So yeah, what I'm going to do tonight is get some roast potatoes or chips. We'll see how they turn out, get them in there. I've also got some cinnamon buns that I'm going to bake later on. Nothing homemade, mind, it's just the just roll type things. But yeah, I'm looking forward to giving it a go. So I've got a couple of potatoes in there on the little Trangia 125 non-stick frying pan. I've moved that pretty close because for roast potatoes you need quite a high heat. I'm going to try and keep the fire small, just so I can kind of you know, get to grips with how much heat you actually need to roast something in there. I don't want to make a big old fire, because when you're canoe camping or if you're backpacking, you just want to have enough fuel for the job. Seems to be working good though. You can hear the oil sizzling away. Well guys, that little oven is brilliant. I don't think it's the easiest thing to cook roast potatoes. It took about 50 minutes. I mean, they're not massive chunks. I parboiled them for about 5 minutes beforehand and just used olive oil and a bit of butter. Just put some pepper on them, and they're really nice actually. And the steak, obviously, beautiful. So I thought I'd end the video with a cheeky beer review. I've just picked up a Millionaire milk stout today. It's as you can see, a very attractive can. I like a milk stout, so I'll just read you the blurb. It's a 4.7%, so you know, medium weight. It's salted caramel and chocolate, a decadent dessert of a beer, rich and moreish, sweet and salty, velvety and luxurious. Savour the flavour. Yes please. Yes please. Yes sirree. Let's give it a go. Does have that classic milk stout smell. If you know what that is, you know what that is. Oh, beautiful. That is beautiful. It does taste like a classic milk stout, but you are getting a little bit of saltiness there. I can't taste the caramel yet. A little note of caramel coming through in the aftertaste, but that is very, very drinkable. Yeah, that is nice, that. Well guys, I'm just about finished the beer. Definitely recommend that, and I definitely recommend the reflector oven. So I'm going to sign off. I'm going to go and join Tris around the campfire for the rest of the evening. So as ever, thanks for watching the video. I'll catch up with you again in the next one.